Hi guys! So far we have learned how to do a basic calculation in Excel using cell referencing. Now you are more confident in handling calculations in Excel. Great! Now let's say after watching your progress in Excel, your manager asked you to perform some calculation in this sales sheet. We have some blank columns to be filled in. If we select the whole column, we can see that there are 1000 plus rows. Filling each row seems like an enormous task, but don't worry. I will help you in filling the sheet. First thing we need to do is to calculate the profit margin percentage against each row. The formula for profit margin is retail price minus cost price divided by cost price. Let's click on the first blank cell and start with the equal sign. We will select the retail price using arrow keys and press minus sign. Then select cost price. Then we will press / to divide this number and select the cost price. And finally we will press enter. But wait, this seems wrong. This is giving me 200% profit margin. A $2 product selling at $3 should have a profit margin of 50%, right? We need to debug our calculation. To do so, we will go to the Formula tab while a cell is already selected. Here we will click on the Evaluate formula. This opens up a dialog box where our formula is written in the white region. You can see there is an Evaluate button here. If we click on this button, Excel will show the calculation step by step. Observe that there is an underline below N2, which means if we click the Evaluate button, Excel will place the value of N2, which is the retail price. Notice now the underline has shifted under M2. This means that this time Excel will place the value of M2 when the Evaluate button is pressed again. Similarly, Excel will keep on replacing cell names with their respective values. Notice that the first operation Excel is about to do next is 2 divided by 2 instead of doing subtraction first. Aha! That's why we're getting wrong result. Excel follows the BODMAS rule. This is basically a worldwide accepted order of math operation in any formula. For those who are not aware of it, BODMAS is an acronym where B stands for brackets, O stands for order or power, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and lastly, S stands for subtraction. All computer and mobile applications, including Excel, do the calculation in this sequence only. Hence, in our formula, Excel is doing division first before subtraction. To perform the subtraction first, we need to put subtraction inside the brackets. By doing so, we are instructing Excel to subtract the numbers within brackets first and then divide the result with cost price, which is what we wanted in the first place. Now that we have understood it, let's apply the concept here. To fill other cells, we don't need to type the same formula again. All we need to do is double-click on the fill handle. And here we go. Next, we need to add 8% tax on the price. The formula to add tax is 1 plus tax percentage multiplied by retail price. Don't forget to follow the BODMAS rule. Let me put the formula in the cell. Now to extend this formula to other rows, we will double-click on the fill handle and we are done. Filling subtotal would be easy. The formula for the same is price after tax multiplied by the order quantity, and the fill handle would copy the formula to the rest of the cells. Next, we need to fill the absolute discount, which is nothing but the discount percentage multiplied to the subtotal. and fill handle will do the rest of the rows. The last calculation we need to do is calculate the customer payable, which is subtotal minus discount plus shipping cost. As always, we will double-click on the fill handle to extend it. We are done here. It just took a couple of minutes to fill this sheet. Now this file is ready to be sent to the manager. Easy, right? I suggest you download this file and do all these calculations again. Also try the Evaluate Formula feature yourself. I will see you in the next video.